Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn on or turn off the hardware acceleration for the Metal TV application on your device, like your desktop computer or laptop in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So let me launch the Metal TV app on my device and make sure that you're logged in with the associated account. Then click into that gear icon in the bottom left corner. After that, scroll all the way down here on that left sidebar, click into Advanced Settings. And guys, to access the hardware acceleration settings, you will need to, or users need to enable the developer mode or development mode, right? You'll find it at the bottom of that menu. So it's up to you. If you want to enable it, switch it on here, and that is going to give you access to the hardware acceleration, which is usually turned on default, as you can see. You can also turn it off here, or leave it like that. So that's up to you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.